Is your furry friend turning their nose up at mealtime? First, let's rule out any underlying health issues. A sudden change in appetite could signal a dental problem, digestive upset, or even something more serious. A consult with your veterinarian is the crucial first step to ensure your dog is healthy and there's no medical reason for their pickiness. If your dog is cleared by the vet, it's time to explore making their food more enticing. One simple strategy is to warm up their regular kibble slightly. Just a few seconds in the microwave can release aromas that are irresistible to dogs, making mealtime more appealing. Food toppers are another fantastic option. Think small amounts of plain, cooked chicken or lean beef, a dollop of plain yogurt, or even a sprinkle of a dog-specific broth. These additions can transform a boring bowl into a culinary delight for your pup. Consider trying different feeding methods. Puzzle feeders and interactive toys can turn mealtime into a fun game, stimulating their natural foraging instincts and making them work for their food, which can increase their interest. Always ensure the puzzle's difficulty is appropriate for your dog. Consistency is key. Try to feed your dog at the same times each day in a quiet, distraction-free environment. If they don't eat within 15-20 minutes, calmly remove the food. Don't force them, and resist the urge to offer treats or a different meal immediately afterward. This helps them understand that mealtime means they're provided food. Remember, a picky eater can be frustrating, but with patience and these practical strategies, you can help your dog rediscover the joy of eating, ensuring they get the nutrition they need to thrive.